Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, picture this. You're in a meeting, the discussion is flying, action items are piling up, and by the end of the meeting, you're staring at your notebook wondering, what did I miss? Now that used to be me until I started carrying this little guy around. This is the Mobvoi TicNote, and it might just be the smartest, most underrated productivity tool I've used this year. It's not just a recorder, it's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. Okay, so let me tell you how I tested this device out. Day 1, I slipped it into my wallet, and it's so small that I forgot it was even there. It's literally lighter than a credit card. Later that day, I hit record during a 90-minute call. Now normally, I'd be half listening and half typing notes, but this time I just focused on the meeting itself. When the call ended, TicNote had already synced everything to the app, and the Shadow AI gave me a full transcript and a summary with action items. And all that before I'd even grabbed my coffee. That's when I thought, okay, this is a little bit different and very convenient. Now, I'm a sucker for good hardware, and TicNote nails it. It's 29 grams, wallet sized, has 64 gigs of storage, and holds over 800 hours of recordings. When it comes to the battery, I charged it once and it lasted through an entire work trip. That's 25 hours of recording, 20 days on standby. In addition to that, the buttons are tactile. You won't accidentally start recording if you don't want to. And I love the little screen on the device itself because it tells you exactly what mode you're in. It's the kind of device you don't have to babysit, which makes it actually usable day to day. Now with that being said, hardware is only half the story. The real power is Shadow AI, and that comes in the app itself. This thing doesn't just transcribe, it highlights aha moments, builds mind maps, and even creates to-do lists from the meeting notes itself. One night I recorded a brainstorming session for a video, and instead of digging through pages of notes, I asked Shadow AI what were my top 3 content ideas, and it pulled them out from the notes instantly. Now that is the part that makes me call it a productivity companion, not just a recorder. Now when it comes to who it's for, let me break it down to who I think this device is perfect for. Number 1, professionals. You'll never walk out of a meeting confused again or wondering what was discussed during that meeting. Second is students. Record lectures, get summaries, and even ask Shadow AI to explain different concepts. Third is journalists and creators. You can capture interviews, auto-translate, and jump straight into drafting. And then finally, travelers. With its insane battery life, it's like a note-taking buddy for conferences or long trips. For me, as a creator, it saves me hours and allows me to focus on unboxing or testing a product, then let TicNote build the foundation for my script later. Now, some of the features that I didn't expect that caught me off guard: you can upload any audio file to the TicNote cloud and still get Shadow AI to summarize it. In addition to that, you've got project-based folders which make it feel more like a personal wiki. And then finally, there's even a podcast mode that reads your notes right back to you, so I've literally reviewed meeting recaps while driving. It's actually a mix of clever and practical features that keeps surprising me day in and day out. Now, like most technology, it's not perfect, and here's a quick reality check. Real-time transcriptions only work in the app itself and not on the hardware, so you gotta differentiate the two. Secondly, in noisy spots like coffee shops, it's less sharp, so you definitely need a reasonable quiet space in order for it to work optimally. And then finally, at around $160, it's definitely not exactly cheap, but for the feature to price ratio, I think it's absolutely worth it. If I think about it, I've actually wasted more time and money fumbling through bad notes than what this device costs. And in addition to that, you also do get a 3-month pro plan for free when you start. So you can actually really test out the AI software before committing to purchasing the software subscription. Now with all that in mind, here's my take after using it for several weeks. The Mobvoi TicNote isn't just a tool, it's a safety net. It lets me stay present in conversations knowing that I won't lose a single detail. It turns chaotic meetings into clear action items, and it helps me as a creator move faster from idea to content. Now, if you're someone who values your time or your sanity, this is worth a serious look. Anyways, that's my quick, honest overview and story-driven experience with this Mobvoi TicNote. I love how thin and portable this device is, and I love how I can magnetically attach it to the back of my phone and not even have to worry about it. Let me know in the comment section below if this is something that you would carry around. I'm also curious about what you'd use this device for: work, school, or maybe even creative projects. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon if you found this video helpful. And if you want one for yourself, check out my promotional link in the description section below. Anyways, thanks for checking out this quick video. I'll see you in the next one.